transactional send is also a bigger topic which we will see later. How system identifies if you are going to send a commercial email or a transactional email. Because for commercial and transactional email, we have different can spam laws. We spoke about can spam earlier while we were studying starting email studio. Can spam is a set of laws which we have to follow whenever we go and send communications from Salesforce Marketing Cloud email studio. There are two type of can spam classifications, commercial and transactional. Now this survey response is a transactional email which will have a this invoice email is a transactional email which requires different can spam requirements, but the survey email is a commercial email. This product feedback email which we have created is a commercial email which requires a different can spam classification, because whenever you go and purchase, that invoice has to be sent within few seconds of the transaction, but this survey email is sent after 2 days of transaction. This survey email is not a response to an action, rather it is a commercial email which we are sending after 2 days to gather customer feedback. But the invoice email was the response to a transaction which customer might make on our website. Data might come to our system and emails are sent. So for both commercial and transactional emails, there are different can spam requirements. The first question arises here is how we can identify if the email you are going to send is a commercial can spam classification or a transactional can spam classification. Because Marketing Cloud emphasizes a different set of rules for commercial and transactional. So for that you have to create a send classification in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. What is a send classification? A send classification is a setting inside Salesforce Marketing Cloud Email Studio which determines whether you are going to send commercial email or a transactional email. And that setting can be found in setup. You go to feature settings, go to email studio settings, and you have send classification. Once you click on send classification, you have to create a send classification for your email send by clicking on create option. Once you click on create option, you have to define new batch send classification. Any name you can define here. And if you scroll down, you see can spam classification. There are two options, commercial or transactional. If you select commercial, that means you are manually going to send communication. That communication is commercial in nature to promote products or services or to obtain any feedback, which are not sent as a response to a commercial transaction. Rather, they are sent manually or by a scheduled automation. Like after 2 days of a transaction, you have to send a communication. It is a part of scheduled automation. It is not sent automatically within fraction of seconds once a transaction has happened.